windy it is. Look, it's so windy. It's not gonna survive. So, but just as well take videos here. Fires. Yeah. Yeah, too bad. We're not flying. The sunset's good. I got lost off Anson Bay. I have to drive 45 minutes. I have to cut it to around 35 minutes. But it was stressful to me to ride an off-road, off the beaten path for that split of time. And we're here, it's so windy, no flying.
Tama po yung deck dito.
It's cold.
Frozen.
So this is just the Bay of Fires, and there's no fires.
It's so cold. How can you? This bay is on fire. This bay is on fire. She's walking on fire.
Hi, mate.
Hello, mate.
Where's the fire?
Let's try
To the fire, to the limit. Yep, currently at the Bay of Fires. Sunset. We're racing towards time. As you can see, those are the fires it's talking about. Just the yellow thingy, orange thingy in the rocks. So again, I'm very disappointed because you can hear the wind. I can't fly my drone. So it's been a tough drive this past few days. I was hoping we could get a good shot at the beach. Anyway, it's alright. I'll just wait for my Mavic, or if I get a Phantom 4, because I have a Phantom 3. And I have problems with controlling the Phantom 3. So, just to show you all, this is the Bay of Fires. It's quite a far trip. We went to Anson's Bay, and there was no white sands there. And I tried to look for other places to go, and yeah, nearly lost light here. But anyway, it's good that we're here. We're heading out to our camp at the Big 4, and then I'll try to copy the files. I hope we can get more files, and yes, I hope we can fly the drone tomorrow. Wish me luck.